Good morning everyone. Today we will start the new chapter decimals. The first topic for the decimals is the place value of a decimal number. How we will read this number 43.17. We will not read it as 43.17. After the decimal, all the digits are spoken separately as it is 43.17. The number that is before the decimal is called whole number and the number after the decimal is called decimal part, or you can say fractional part. Now the place values of all the digits separately. Before the decimal, the numbers are placed like ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, like that. And the places after the decimal, the first place will be 10th, th, and the next is 100th, and the next will be 1000th, 10,000th, like that. Suppose we are getting the number 317.083. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is tenths. We will denote it as small t. This is small h as hundredth. This is small th, that is thousandth. Now the place values, these were the places that I have explained. Now these are the place values of these digits separately. As the number 7 is at the ones place, so it will be 717. The digit 1 is at the tens place, it will be 1 tens as 10. 3 is at the hundreds place, that is 300s, means 300, 300. Now 0 is at the 10th place, means 0 tenth, that is 0 upon 10. 8 is at the 100th place, that will be 8 upon 100. 3 at the 1000th place, that will be 3 upon 1000. These are the place values in fraction. That's why we say it as fractional part also. Now the expanded form of a decimal number. The number is 438.23. First of all, we will write the places at the top. You can write it in the short form as I am writing. Now 4 is at the hundreds place, 400, 3 tens 30, 8 ones 8. 2 is at the 10th place, 2 upon 10. 3 is at the 100th place, 3 upon 100. You can write them in words also as 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 8 ones, 2 tenth, 300th. Now the next topic is conversion of fraction into decimals. As the number is 2.5, we will write it in the improper fraction 5 upon 2. Now you can convert it into the fraction, into a decimal by long division, as we have done in class 6 also. 2 2s are 4, 1. Now there is no decimal. We will put the decimal after the whole number 5 and in the quotient also at the same time. Now in the dividend, we can take zeros to divide it fully. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5 in the decimals. The next is addition and the subtraction of the decimal. When we do the addition of decimal numbers, the main point that you have to remember is that when you write the numbers in vertical form before doing the addition, you have to keep the places very carefully. The decimal should follow the decimal in every number. The ones place should follow the ones place, hundreds place should follow the hundreds place, tenth should follow tenth place, and the hundredth place hundredth, and the thousandth place. Now you can do this addition sum. Same way, if we want to do the subtraction, as 36.5 minus 0.83, 36.5 0.83 will be written like that. There is no digit, no hundredth digit in 36.5, so we will write here 0 to do the subtraction. If you leave the place here and don't write any digit, means 0, if you don't write 0, the answer will be wrong, because 0 will take the borrow from 5 and do the subtraction. As 10 minus 3 is 7, now 4 minus 8 we will take again borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 is 3. In addition sum, if you don't write the zeros at the empty places, there will not be any harm, but in the subtraction sum, it is necessary to write the 0 at the top on the empty places only, where there is no digit at the hundredth place or the thousandth place. The next topic is like and unlike decimals. The decimal numbers having the number of digits after the decimal same are called like decimals, as 23.2, 14.1, 7.3, like that. These are called like decimals because there is equal number of digits after the decimal. How many digits are there in the whole number part, that is before the decimal, it doesn't make any difference. 17.14, 3.8. These two are not like decimals. They are called unlike decimals. If we want to convert the unlike decimals to like or like to unlike, we can also do that. As 7.3 and 83.7, these are the two unlike decimals. If we want to convert them to like, we will put 0 at the hundredth place in this number. Now these are become like decimal. And if the decimals are given to you unlike, as 83.6, 7.60, 7.5, 3.800, these are unlike decimals, we can make them like as 83.6, 7.5, 3.8. Now there are equal number of digits after the decimal. The next topic is how we will write the units in decimals, as if we are having rupees 50 and 5 paise, how we will write them using the decimal. As we know that 1 rupee has 100 paisa, 100 has 2 zeros, that means there will be 2 digits after the decimal. It will be written as 50.05. 3 meter, 7 centimeter. We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 100 means again 2 zeros, means 2 digits after the decimal. We can write it 3.07 meter. When we will write the decimal, the greater unit will be written. As here we will write it as rupees and here we will write it as meter. As 7 kilogram, 83 grams. Now 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, but we are having here 2 digits only. And 1000 has 3 zeros, means there should be 3 digits after the decimal. So it can be written as 7.083 kilogram. These are the short forms to write the numbers in decimals. In exercise 4.3, we will do it in explained way, how we will convert the units in the decimals. Through this video, you can do all the sums of recap exercise.